Hey, what is up, beautiful people? It's Aenish and welcome back to this video. And in this video, I'm gonna be showing you the use cases of ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an AI platform in which you can just give an input and it gives the output based on what it has learned from 2021 September database. Use cases of ChatGPT can be massive. We cannot say these are only the things that ChatGPT are capable. ChatGPT can be capable of summarizing the YouTube videos ideas into summaries, and you can create songs, you can create CVs, job letters, you can create interview questions, you can ask ChatGPT about something extremely difficult subject and it can give you the answers in simplest form. And there are many possibilities that the list goes on and on and on. We're on the screen right now and you can see this booknotes.ai. So it is basically based on ChatGPT. Developer is using ChatGPT and no code automations to just create this website. I think this website is created from Wayflow, as I have seen this video of him making this one, and it is pretty much, I think, awesome. Wayflow is pretty much awesome, I guess, and it is literally integrating the ChatGPT API, not ChatGPT API, Open API, but it does the job like ChatGPT. See, all the text that he has created is not from him, but from AI, and he is doing something crazier, like he's getting affiliate links, and the people are going into this affiliate sections, and they are gonna be redirected to Amazon or something like that. Number two is GPT-times. I think you guys have heard about the New York Times article in which the newsletters are keeping in the form of the newsletters, and but GPT-times is something like that. You can create your post into the article. I'm gonna copy this tweet and I'm gonna paste the tweet link, and I'm gonna select the style for the neutral, and I say generate, and it will give me the output in the form of newspaper. It created in me a news like this stuff. Basically, it is what the GPT Times does, like a New York Post Times. It just created me the tweet of that news, so it's pretty much highly great. So I don't think that ChatGPT has an app, but I think hyperwrite is a copy of that ChatGPT because it is simply using ChatGPT as an API, and I think it has done some minor tweaks over there, here and there. But ChatGPT app is hyperwrite right now for this period of time. Another sections of this summarize thing from Chrome Webster, and if I add this thing, this is also based on ChatGPT. It can basically summarize the things of any articles. I think this is the article that I think ChatGPT can summarize without any of my response or inputs. See, Chrome extension from ChatGPT API, which can simply just summarize the thing on your browser to a simplest form. Basically, this is a Twitter ChatGPT in which you can tweet something about ChatGPT and it gives you the result in the form of these images, like so. To explain how this works, if I just say @chatgptbot and just mention the thing, and what is, let's say explain E equals MC squared to a 5-year-old kid, and if I just mention them, if I just mention ChatGPTbot to just explain me what does E equals to MC squared means to a 5-year-old kid, and basically it will give me a reply back. The next one is youtubesummary. See, this is also a best one because it is also, if you install the thing and if you just install it, and you can transcript everything from the YouTube videos, and it gives you the summary. The other one is ChatGPT for Google, the best way to earn money in Nepal, and the Google result is this, and the ChatGPT section is this. So basically, it gives me the direct point. I guess Google can also use like that, but I think Google have a higher authority because it has to maintain the goodwill and other stuff like that. So it is giving me options of Google, but ChatGPT doesn't care about this authority. I guess it gives the instantaneous result, so I think it is giving me the answers whether it can be wrong or right. So start a small business, work in tourism industry, sell product online, find a job, rent out spare rooms. That's all. That sections from the ChatGPT for Google. The other is sharegpt conversations. It means that when I wrote something in here and if I want to share this prompt, then I can use that sections to copy and paste to the other section. And other one is the hacker news, like the type of learngpt.com, in where people used to upvote and downvote the things of how to use the ChatGPT and how the human generates this and how the ChatGPT responds to this one. This is WhatsApp bot for the ChatGPT, but I am having some issues because it is not working pretty much well, so I'm not gonna discuss it in this video. But it is cool if you are a developer, then just go into the section of and fork it and try to just develop on your own WhatsApp bot. I also created some of the Discord bot from this ChatGPT, and it does works well. Like if I want to show you what my Discord bot really looks like, if I just say chat and if I just give a message, so let's say what is ChatGPT to a 5-year-old kid, and if I just ask what is the ChatGPT to a 5-year-old, and it gives me the ChatGPT is a computer program that can talk and answers questions. It's like a virtual friend that you can talk and will try to answer your questions like a real person would. So basically this is a ChatGPTboi which I have created in Discord bot, and you can create ChatGPT for many things, and yeah, the list goes on and on and on and on. So this is all about ChatGPT sections, and I guess you guys enjoy this video, and if you enjoy this video, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe. And if you just want to see this type of videos, then yeah, subscribe. Until that time, peace out.